Pakafuridzirwa mweya w'ifear, I lift my hands and call on your name.
Your spirit breathes where chaos has been. Lord, put courage and strength in me.
Lord, put order in my life.
Ndinoshuwa kurongeka,
Ishe,
where there is confusion,
speak peace, bring order.
yes Lord, I need order.
in my heart, in my mind, I
Need order.
Pakafuridzirwa mweya,
Way confusion,
you are not the author of
broken thoughts,
Ishe, put power,
love and sound mind. Your presence steadies every storm.
Lord, put order in my life.
Ndinoshuwa kurongeka,
Ishe,
oh, where there is confusion.
speak peace, bring order.
yes Lord, I need order. In my heart, in my mind, I need
Need order.
Hey.
Mweya urombe,
Hauzi wangu,
I reject the spirit of
poverty,
your presence commands.
strength and courage.
You lift me up,
You make me stand. Lord, put order in my life.
Ndinoshuwa kurongeka,
Ishe,
where there is confusion.
speak peace, bring order.
yes Lord, I need order. In my heart, in my mind, I need order.
Whoa. Whoa.
Weya wekushaya hauzi wangu. I will be strong and courageous,
Handivunduke, handinetseke,
because Jesu